Welcome to Trucks and Other Stuff. Today there's a couple things that I want to discuss with you guys. I need your help. And so that being said, I need it desperately if I want to continue making content. Let me explain myself. So, as you know, I've been on YouTube for a year now, and thanks to you guys, thanks to people watching the videos, liking, subscribing, commenting, as of this month, I should be able to move forward on a couple mods for the truck, which I am so excited about, being able to turn around this, I guess it's a hobby, turn it around and make it not pay for itself, but you know, continue on through doing it. So I'm excited about that. But in the future, if I really want to continue making content, I really enjoy it. It is a hobby that I'm going to do whether or not I get paid for it. It's something I'm going to do just because I like it. But I'd like to produce content that you guys will enjoy. And to do that, I need, I don't know. It's a vicious circle, because you have to have good content for people to watch it, but you have to, in the car side of things, you have to spend money to have good content. At least that's what it seems like to me. There are ways, but right now I don't have the opportunity to do that. So that being said, continue to watch these videos, continue to hit the like button, and continue to support, because if that happens, there's going to be some really good stuff this next year for the channel. Let me tell you about what I'd like to do. There's a couple things. Of course, I have the truck here, and there are mods that are coming to the truck that should be pretty exciting. I'm looking forward to them. They're going to make the truck look better, and I believe they're going to make the truck handle better when pulling that thing right there. You probably can see it behind me. That's my trailer. My enclosed trailer is pretty heavy. So there's going to be stuff coming for the truck, and there's also, if I get enough support, going to be some other cool stuff. So let me go over the trailer. There's a couple things in the trailer that I'd like to show you that I already have that would be so much fun to be able to work on. But let's just go over there and look. Alright guys, this is inside my trailer. As you can see, it's a terrible mess. But there are a couple things in here that I want to point out that I'd really like to show you and really like to work on. So the first being that yellow object right there. That right there is a 1981 YZ250. It's been well loved. There's some things that need to be fixed, but really it just needs to be run and tinkered with to get it running to the best ability. And so that's something we're going to be doing this spring, and I think you guys will enjoy that. We'll take some rides and try to tune it and get it running better. So that's something we're going to work on at some point this semester. You see that brush guard? That goes on the truck, but it's not mounted very well right now. Then we're going to try to fab up something to make it to work better on the truck. It rattles and it bounces around, and it actually has damaged the front of my truck because of it. So we're going to work on that. But the most exciting thing, I think, that's out here that I want to work on is this right here. This is what I would like to work on. What this is a 1971 Oldsmobile Rocket 350. It has a number of miles. When it was taken out of the last car it was in, it still worked just fine. I do have the transmission to go with it, the automatic transmission. It's not here with me right now, so I wouldn't be able to work on it. But this is also something I would like to do. I want to, well, I need to take off the heads and get a look at the cylinder walls and see if the cross hatching is still intact. If it is, then I'm just gonna put new rings and seals on the thing and get this thing running. If it's not, if it does need a full rebuild, then I'm gonna bore it 30 over. Well, I'm gonna have it bored at 30 over, and we're gonna put some power into this thing. I'd like to see this over 400 horsepower. That's what I'd like to see. I want to do it naturally aspirated for now, but we will see how things turn up and if I have money for that in the future. But for now, what the videos would look like is tear down and just looking in depth at what this engine looks like internally, and then possibly some rebuild stuff in the future. So that's a long-term goal and a long-term plan for the channel. Is I'd like to put this in something. I don't have a vehicle specifically in mind. This engine was my dad's engine. It started out its life in a Vista Cruiser station wagon. It was in an Oldsmobile Cutlass, in the mid-80s Cutlass for a while. It replaced the diesel that was in there originally. And like I said, when it was pulled out, it was not because the engine died, it was because the car itself was rotting. It had holes in the floorboards, it was bad. So that's why it was taken out of the car, not because it was needed rebuilt per se. So that's sort of the history. My dad always talked about me and him rebuilding this together. And so that's something I want to honor. My dad passed away a few years back, and I'd like to do this for him. Get this done and have a good time, and hopefully you guys can enjoy it with me. So, like I said, I need your help. And I thank you so much for the support that you gave me this past year. And please keep it up. Please share me with your friends. We're going to try to produce some really fun and enjoyable content here in 2018. So with that, that's going to conclude this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you take it to heart. Leave some comments below about what projects you got going on. Let me know how you like this video. Just, you can comment about anything. I would love to hear what you guys think. I love feedback. Please give me feedback, even if it's negative feedback. And I really do mean that. I want to hear. Give me feedback, like and subscribe. Remember that we still have the 1,000 subscriber challenge. We have grown like about 30 subscribers since we started that, which for some channels is not very much, but for me, I was really encouraged that it is going somewhere. But continue to hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment, and I do hope that you have a really good day and a great 2018 this year. So.